All right. This is Haleigh Armstrong, and Haleigh is an undergraduate at University of California, Santa Barbara. She is a graduate also of Randolph High School and graduated magna cum laude. Incredibly bright, competent, disciplined young lady who is really fascinated in psychology, and we're fortunate enough to have her as an intern with us this year. Haleigh, you want to talk some about what you're doing at school related to psychology?
Yeah, so I'm minoring in psychology and brain sciences with a minor in applied psychology. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Any kind of particular offices or anything that you're involved with, or any organizations you're involved with at
Yes,
school?
so we have a health organization at school. It's called Partners in Wellness, and I am a director there. I do art for wellness, and so we interact with patients. We get to do art with them, and I just like really believe in the philosophy that art can heal, and it does heal. And hopefully, in my future, I want to be a clinical psychologist and be able to practice like art therapy with my clients, just because I think that there is true power in that. So
Very good,
yeah,
very good. I think from our conversations, you know that I'm a big fan of that idea that
yeah,
that the arts in general are, the way I describe it is that, thought is to science what emotion is to art.
yeah,
That really that we're working with emotions in psychology, and the more you can tap into those emotions, the more you can create healing and change. So
yeah. I totally agree.
love
Yeah,
that you love that.
yeah,
That's good
yeah.
stuff. That's good stuff. So what you're going to be doing with us this summer is going to be doing psychological testing,
Mhm.
administering it, scoring it, and beginning to learn some about how it works. And I'm also going to have you all help me some in improving our testing library.
Yeah.
So, talk to me about your thoughts about learning more about psychological testing.
I think it's really important to have like testing just because it cuts down on the amount of time and it briefs you on the person a little bit before you get to talk to them. And so it can help you target those specific questions for those people to be able to best help them. And so I think that's why it's like really important. And I think it's really important to learn how to analyze those tests so that way when you do have a client or a patient, you can best help them with that. So.
Very good. Very good. Good. All right. So, as you're going back to school next year,
Mhm.
what are you going to carry back with you? What are you taking into the next year of school?
Well, hopefully I will get to, work with some of my professors at school, and I think that having this internship and really being able to work with professionals who do this every single day, like it'll give me, the confidence that I want, and it'll help me better understand what I want to do with my life, and it'll help me pursue my goal of being a clinical psychologist.
Fantastic. Well, we're glad to have you.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be working with you guys.